Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys a cleaning motivation in the kitchen, and also I'm going to be doing some unpacking of my groceries. So stay tuned and enjoy the music.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
Okay, you guys, so now I am going ahead and just kind of helping Michaela to unpack some of the dry goods. She normally unpacks all the dry goods, the snacks, the cereals, the pastas, and everything. And then I would do like everything else inside the kitchen, like the refrigerator, unpacking all the cold stuff and the meats and everything. We love to do this together. It's something that we actually enjoy sharing together. So she's going ahead and getting that done. So now I'm just washing all the fruits. Also, I normally wash my fruits anyway. It's not because of COVID why I do this. I normally just go ahead and wash my fruits to wash off all the pesticides and insecticides. So I am just going ahead and doing that now.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt
now we are at the cleaning portion of the video. I am just going to be cleaning all the pots and pans that I took out of the refrigerator. Also, some of those Tupperwares I'm going to be emptying out into the trash and cleaning them. I've already got the dishwasher loaded. I'm not sure if you guys saw that clip. I think you did, but I've already got the dishwasher loaded. And so now I'm just going to wash all the pots and pans and everything and get everything together. Also, I am going to be sweeping the floors, and I did not do any mopping this time around, but I'm just wiping down the countertops and the cabinets a little bit because there was some spillage on there as well. And as you can see, I have my sidekick Nyla with me. She never leaves my side. She is always there with me. And so I'm never alone, you guys. I'm loving it though. I love my kiddos. I love when they are around me and we just enjoy each other so much. So we're going to be doing a little bit of dancing, me and Nyla. You're going to see that very soon. And yeah, I'm just going ahead and doing this. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of cleaning motivation, that if you have any, dirty dishes or anything, unpacking the dishwasher or unpacking your groceries or anything like that, hopefully this video will give you some motivation to go ahead and get that done with me today.
Knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. You make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. I do a lot of cleaning videos, motivational videos, organizational videos, home decor, seasonal decor, and also some thrifting videos. So go ahead and subscribe. I would love for you to go ahead and do that. Double tap that bell for new notifications, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.